yeah, so I was just saying that since I've been like practicing counseling psychology for more than 2 years, like I realized that whatever I was doing was, I don't know if it was helping the clients or not, but like what I've learned here, I'm pretty sure that it's way too beyond what I was doing earlier. So this was like eye-opening for me, honestly speaking. Then I think one key takeaway is like there were like a lot of times where I was like struggling what to do with the clients because I didn't know how to move forward. But now I know all of these techniques, and even before revising here today, I did it yesterday on my own, and I was able to come up with a lot of things that I could have used with the clients. So again, that's also amazing. Uh, I think, yeah, that's it. Like this was a very wholesome experience overall. So I loved the sessions and the classes.
Perfect. And how confident you are about working with clients?
I am very confident now. Very confident.
Super. Thank you. Who would like to go next?
I can go next.
Yep.
Okay, so I think I thoroughly enjoyed the course after level 1. I think it was a great step up. It's given me the confidence to know that now if the client's coming up with a multitude of problems, what are few very important techniques that can help them on a larger scale rather than breaking it down into piecemeal one problem at a time. So I think techniques like reframing and levels of transformation, I think they really wholesome, like Isha said. So I feel extremely confident. In fact, in the last week for practice, I practiced with few of the people who had approached me. So I put it out on LinkedIn that this is something I'm doing, and if someone wants to act as a volunteer, and a lot of people showed interest. So I picked up about 4 people to do this. And while I was slightly underconfident to begin with, by the end of it, they got the answer, insights that they were looking for from a single or 2 sessions. And that made me feel extremely confident that if I have to now overarch this on a larger initiative, I can do that. So I think that confidence building came in from there. So I feel extremely happy to be part, and also learning now how digitally to do these sessions, which I started with slight apprehension. I think that's also gone away. So I feel confident with doing these sessions now digitally as well.
Perfect. And any particular takeaway that comes to your mind?
I think putting it all together for a client, I think you started by saying that client has all the answers, and I think you said that in level 1 also, but along the way sometimes we forget. So I think my key takeaway is that while we've learned all the techniques, client has all the answers. Similarly, the technique will come to us when the client has a question. So that's my key takeaway, trust the client.
Okay, brilliant. Thank you.
Would like to go next? Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'll go next. So for me, the key takeaway was like after level 1, I started working with a couple of friends on their Shopsy, and I saw that there were a lot of places where I was not able to take it forward, and I could realize that okay, maybe I'm getting stuck here. So I used to note it down. Okay, here I'm facing challenge, and since it was also practice for me, I was doing it with strength. Now after doing level 2, I see that those gaps are like getting filled so well, and now I know how to handle it even if I get stuck. So I think that is the major key takeaway for me from level 2. Like now in level 1 you had this one framework, and now you have all the tools to complete that structure really well, and you can actually like the flow of sessions makes so much more sense now. Like initially for me also just writing the document, and I was feeling ki itna hi hai kya sir? What else, like how else can you proceed, or wherever there are points where I was not able to handle it. So I mean I knew that okay, maybe level 2 will have those answers, but now I know that it had the answers and we have all the answers. So I think that is one major key takeaway. And confidence for me, yes, because now I know that we are now equipped with a lot more. I wouldn't say I'm fully confident yet because I need to practice it a lot. But yes, I do have some more level of confidence than I had after level 1 to at least conduct a full coaching session with one person at least to help them get to their desired outcome. And I have seen a lot of change in my myself. Like we went through a soft scene level 1, and then I had the recording, so I was trying to apply it because if I'm practicing something, I need to first know whether it is working for me, right? Like, so that is something that I have been doing. And so many small things I noticed in my life that have changed, which I was probably struggling with for all my life. So it's still like, obviously I'm still not there, but I can see the changes happening. So yeah, so that has been amazing.
Good. Thank you. Who would like to go next?
I'll go.
Okay.
So again, taking it from what Akshara just said, that after the level 1, I also used to get stuck at soft Cs, believing what I'm doing is right. And at times didn't know how to question the client, but after this level, it is more clear, and it's in such a framework that you don't have to think too much of what to do next. It's all there. It's like a big thali of khana, और जिसको जो पसंद है उसको वो दे दो. तो there is everything, achar, chutney, papad, everything is there. So it can really be handled good from that point of view, and I am very happy with the course. The content is excellent. Again, thanks to Nitin. Nitin's teaching was perfect. So waiting for the level 3. Confidence has gone up, but I still need to practice a lot, I guess. Only then it'll go further. But yes, at least I'm confident that yeah, I'll start taking clients, which after I did my psychology and I did internship with 2 or 3 people, which was about a year back, I have not been taking clients because that confidence level was missing. But now after the first level itself, I have started taking clients. So because I know that there is a structure that I have with which I can go forward. So yes, that difference is definitely there.
Good.
Thank you.
I have a similar experience like Kiranji just said. So I also have done multiple courses before this. I have certified myself as a master NLP practitioner, plus I have a coaching certification. But what was missing is the structure part of it, right? So I feel after these 2 levels, I have a proper structure in mind which I could use to go from step 1 to step 2, which was not there with me earlier. So that also gives me a lot of confidence. So now I believe with all the tools that we have learned from level 1, level 2, plus the entire framework that we have in place, definitely builds up a lot of confidence in self that we will be able to take a client from where they are to where they want to be. And I have said this in my earlier conversation also, that the entire design of the course is very, very I would say thought through, because it brings together various tools and using the tools together, because otherwise it is very distributed. The framework just brings it together. So that is something I really liked about both the levels. And as I said, definitely confidence has increased in self, and I believe I will be able to talk to clients and get things done. And amazing experience. That's it. And thank you very much, Nitin. Got a lot to learn from you, and definitely the practice sessions made it better.
Thank you.
I mean, I'm just amazed by just how much I have learned in these 2 levels, and it just always felt like, there has to be more. There has to be more that I can do to help people. And it feels like I found the ultimate thing, like the number one thing, and even like I was thinking of studying psychology, but then I was like, okay, let's just go with this first. And the moment I started attending these classes, I was like, I don't need anything else. This is it. This is it. And I have to say, I know that a lot of people are gonna like get angry or hate me for saying this, but you are undercharging. You have to at least double your prices, because the value you're providing is so freaking amazing. It's like, it's unbelievable. It's just, you're too good. Your organization, Nitin sir, it's just, I'm so glad, so grateful that it exists, and I'm already thinking about how I can contribute to your organization, because I believe in it so much. And I feel like once I go to the UK, then maybe I can also connect with connect with you to bring that a part of that organization to UK as well, and we can take this international. I'm feeling very excited after having completed level 2. I feel like after level 1, I felt like there were some gaps, like if there were some hurdles, what was I to do? And I feel like that question has been answered, and it feels like 1 and 2 just go hand in hand, and I feel very complete now and feel like I can handle clients now, and I'm ready to go ahead with it. And my key takeaway is trust the process. The process works. It does. It works. And just trusting the process gives you so much confidence in working with your clients, whatever problems they come with. As a practitioner, even if you haven't practiced, even if you're starting out, you will be confident because you know that the process works. And that is, oh my God, that is so big. And I'm so amazed at your depth of knowledge, I have to say. You're officially someone I look up to. And, I started looking at books that I want to read and, all of that. And someday I just feel like I want to become like you. So just thank you for putting your gifts out into the world. It was much needed and so glad that you did. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll go next.
Yep, Kalin.
Nitin ji, I'm really thankful and grateful to your institute. पहले तो ममता मैडम का भी बहुत थैंक्स कि उन्होंने फर्स्ट लेवल बहुत अच्छे से कराया, लेकिन सेकंड लेवल जो सर नितिन सर आपने कराया, यू आर रियली अ विकिपीडिया ऑफ हिप्नोथेरेपी. आई मस्ट से कि I used to think like hypnotherapy or hypnotism is just putting into an induction, some induction and giving some suggestion, that's it. लेकिन नहीं, it's so much vast sea that you have to explore. और इतना कुछ मिला है ना अभी ये सेकंड लेवल में, तो अभी मेरे को बहुत ये लग रहा है कि अभी इसको कैसे स्लोली यूज करना है. तो द लास्ट सेशन विच you have done and you have given all the sequence कि first session में क्या करना है, second is really absolutely hats off to your brain and your confidence about the ICR that you will not go down before them for the hypnotherapy and all this thing. And ultimately hypnotism is matters. सब यहीं पे आके end में ये जाता है. तो really Nitin, you are really thorough knowledge. और आपने जो ये प्री ऑनलाइन मॉड्यूल जो डिजाइन किया है, इट्स रियली सच अ वंडरफुल हेल्पफुल. कभी भी आई फील कि भाई ये कुछ मेरे को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, आई गो इनटू दैट मॉड्यूल एंड आई माई सेल्फ आई गेट नॉलेज कि भाई हाँ वो जो मिस हो गया था पार्ट अगेन उसको कैसे समझना है. रियली बहुत अच्छा पैटर्न यू हैव डिजाइन. Really thanks. And my one takeaway is the soft C. Really ये जो soft C आप लोगों ने जो डिजाइन किया है and when then really good and thank you very much. और हम लोग जो है पैसे से आपको ये नहीं कर सकते and you are our guru and thank you very much. And I must conclude the last but not the least is Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Confidence of working with clients?
I will start now working with client because अभी तो का मैं रुका था कि let me take the complete sequence, क्योंकि बीच में ही कुछ शुरू करने से पहले कुछ समझना चाहिए exactly. So I was waiting. I have a list of clients. And I will start with my family members before like और मेरे close ये हैं और I will focus मेरा जो main intention है the student and the second is weight management. ये दो चीज पे मैं ज्यादा focus करूँगा.
Perfect. And you're confident that you can start working with them, na?
Of course, of course.
Thank you.
Welcome.
So I can go.
Yes, Dev.
Most of them have already covered whatever I've been thinking. Level 1 was amazing for me. Personally, the soft C, the approach was very fulfilling in terms of my own personal goals as well. Level 2 has become a step higher, more structured approach, equipped with more, essential tools. Uh, Even though I'm not very well versed as of now, I think I have the confidence to go ahead and start talking. I'm already working with a couple of friends of mine, but yes, I have a way forward. So I'm very eagerly looking forward for level 3 and level 4. Before that, I'll probably, in fact, MA I did just for the passion of the subject for psychology. But now I think the passion, the interest has just risen after these 2 levels. And nothing else, that's it. Level 3, level 4, afterwards I think I'll be even more equipped and more very well, become very well versed.
Thank you. And but you're confident of being able to start working with the clients now, right?
Yes, I am.
For me, the course was really interesting and informative. I feel it has given me enough to explore my design as a trainer, and has also made me a lot more curious about experimenting, the materials and the forms given in it. Every process we learned here came out with many amazing effects, as if every weekend we all were working on some of the other processes and end up our day with surprising impact. Uh, After I complete level 1, when we did the SOPSI on the weight management. So I could really find myself pushing up, to follow the task. Even Akshita was my partner that time. I gave her a feedback that I'm really working very, I would say, following the diet and my workouts and everything. So that is something as a major feedback that on my personal, I would say. And the key takeaway, yes, building rapport with my participants when I'm standing as a trainer, using correct questioning techniques. When, like to make my participants open up with their understanding about the content. Confidence, yes, I am, but I never looked upon while like I would deal any person as a therapist as a one-to-one. So yes, of course, I would require much more practice regarding this. And talking about you, yes, it was a great learning under you, a very good experience. You make things so simple to imbibe. That's something I would love to inculcate. I will always cherish and remember these moments in level 2. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Firstly, thank you, Nitin, for having, this beautiful organization. I've done a lot of courses earlier, and a friend of mine, we suffered through a couple of courses earlier. Then we used to keep discussing, and she had done it. Amba is the one, that lady. And she said, just close your eyes, don't find, got to this address. And when I have gone through level 1, that's the time I realized that every aspect of how one learns has been integrated into this. At a general listing, it is a general psychological sort of a reality that you can read a book, read a chapter, after 2 days you remember only 20%, no matter what happens. You need to revise. And after that you're going to forget again. You need to revise again. And if it is more live, something which you have lived, it is probably the retention is going to be more. If you're prepared for what is going to come, at least mind has got a certain framework. It's like that building that construct. First is the outer frame, and then, things can be built up. And I saw that exactly. I think each and everything has been fitted into HRs. Not only here, it's a lifelong thing. Improvements, and that's what has helped me learn a lot. Okay, when a client comes to you, there is a tremendous power differential. I think some of you must have seen. He comes there, and whether you may be sitting at level, but for him, you got a halo around you, and you better have that information to help him. Many times till now, I realize actually there is a virtual power differential. Many times I can't help him, or I don't know what to do with him. I understand his issues. Hazy theories, you can't tell him a theory. This is how the problem. He says wants some concrete system, some solution which can let him see results within a short time. I had learned a lot, but I had not really imbibed many. I've read many books on conversational hypnosis. There are books, you read them. It's the first time actually I understood what conversational hypnosis is really and how can you apply it actually, really. Even the other methods. Now I finished level 2. Actually, I'm pushing so that I can go to level 3 and 4, but I think his system is such, I was seeing that there is a gap till level 3 for me come. There's a level 4 already there. I was hoping it will be level 3, but there's a level 4. 3 comes in November, so I'm going to do that. But having done level 1 and 2, after 1, although in spite of whatever I had done, there was a lot of gaps still. Especially, I've seen most of the people who come are in a very, very emotionally upset state. None of them come for a very straightforward, this is it and I want to improve it. He has tried various methods, including Baba Bengali, and finally lands up to you. Now you got to look after him. And Nitin, it's been amazing. The razor sharp focus, if you ask a question, he gets to the point, you know what you're asking. Don't waste any time. That was great. I'm very confident that I will apply all these techniques. But I know I'm going to do fuck-ups, which I keep doing. I learned one this thing, and second day I applied on my first client, because all of them are very useful. You can apply it on them. What I have observed is, and it's for everybody, when we apply it here, most of us are already well aware of the whole process. We are already aware of a lot of background under which these are, and it's very easy. It sounds very easy. You get the answers very easy, but actually when you try it out with an actual client, I think a lot more preparation needs to be done before that person really gets it. That's what is my thing. Don't be in one hell of a hurry to shoot any of these things. Prepare the ground for it. I think then the success level is more like I in a hurriedly applied that and within 2 it didn't work. But it is not the method, it is the preparation that needs to be done. I'm very confident, and not only that, there are forums that he's set up. You can practice any day till you find that you're confident, and if you don't, if anything, I think Nitin is always there. In spite of all this, he's able to speak. I find that he's able to read, and even you can speak to him. That is very surprising. He still has the time. And there's a forum in which we can clarify all the doubts. So all you have to do is your capacity to soak in all that you want. The systems are all there. You don't need to go anywhere, read anything, that's it. I have 300 books lying here. I haven't read any of them. I've left all of them the way they are. I think answers are all here in ECHAS. And thank you, Nitin.
Yeah, so I completed my master's, and after completion I was really clueless. So thank you to ITED, because we were never really taught these techniques or how to apply. We were never really taught all of this. Secondly, so I remember I was in 12th when I first heard the word hypnosis, and since then I've been really just trying to find an institute, find a supervisor, anything that really, you know the essence of hypnosis. Like, I don't know anyone who I trust with it more than you. So thank you so much for all these techniques. And confidence, yes, I am confident now, although I sit with all these techniques, absorb it, and then probably get in this field. So thank you so much for everything, really.
Thank you.
Where do I start? It's been a year-long journey, Nitin, right from the time when Karima got me to enroll for this course, and I saw this first module. It was very exhaustive, right? And I remember coming and meeting you, and I was enamored by the language you use. The first thing which struck me about you was the language you use, and that's what I really wanted to get at. And you told me that level 2 will get me there. So basically, for the first I've been doing small courses with you, right? So I'm going to talk about the confidence levels, which has grown tremendously from the first day or the first level to today, like over the year, especially because I've been associated with you, done these anxiety counseling or relationship coaching or be it sleep counseling, which is the essence of it. So now when I did when the very first session we had to do the problem statement, which is and the outcome statement, I realized that it just imbibed in me, and which is exactly what I wanted. I never wanted to look at the book and say, what do I do? What are the questions I want? So when I did it at the Rakshara, I was very, very surprised that I had imbibed, and that's exactly how I wanted it. You know, so that's why for me, this plays an important part to continue. That I was serious when I said that, Nitin, I will keep hopping in, coming into revision with levels and coming back. Especially anchoring, we did that in class, was a totally different concept. And I was always wondering, how do I do it online? Like I really thought that the online module will not have that much of an impact like a classroom session, because all of us are so tuned to classroom. But the online has now taught me how I can expand my world, or I don't have to talk about going meeting clients, calling clients to me. I can go to clients wherever, whichever part of the world. All I need is an internet connection, right? And these techniques are as powerful as, because I witnessed them myself when they have practiced for me, how tough it is or how easy it is. You understand that. And for my biggest takeaway for this level 2 is about reframing. Wherever I get stuck, I know it's a fallback process. I just still have to get thorough with the process, which I know I will, because you're there, the classes are there. I have the liberty to go into an online module and go through, revise whatever I need to revise, and then hop into a class whenever I have doubts, and then be a part of the session to understand this. Now, this is the biggest plus which your academy offers vis-a-vis any other academy, where they charge $1.5 lakh, right? And then you have no way of revising any of those except for partnering with your associates who have already completed the courses. But here I get to be a part of every classroom session. Like level 2, maybe 5 years down the lane, I forgot, or maybe I'm off for an injury, or maybe I've gone off somewhere. As I come back and I want to get back to coaching on a serious note. I've seen that people do it, right? For level 1, people have hopped in from 3 years ahead and come, and they've benefited. And then that is one of the biggest advantages which iCharge offers as an institute, as an academy. And as a person, I always told you that I'm going to get there, but it's going to take a while of emulating. I've learned a new language. When somebody asked me, Garima asked me, hey, practice something else, I said, I've just learned A, B, C, D, you know, I've just started practicing the language. So I will get thorough with the language, but it's going to take a while. But will that stop me from working with clients? No. I've always been confident working with clients even before I knew a process. And my biggest takeaway for this is when we opened up the practice sessions online last year, I was put in with a person who was from a different institute actually. And I went first and I thought I didn't know nothing, right? That's the time I did level 1. I did that and did the model. And she said it was very, very beautiful, the process. And when she did it, she had no clue as to where she's starting. What is the process? There are 3 or 4 processes. I will start here. Okay, I will use this with you. You know, just to decide which process to use and how to go about it, I had no structure. So I would second when Tina said there's a beautiful structure which came in alongside it and alongside answering doubts. So yeah, thank you, Nitin. I will continue being there, and I'm very, very happy that I can do level 3 also and level 4 also, which I have enough time to do. This November I won't be there because I will be on a project. You know what, so it's on recording, I can't say. But the moment it opens up next year, they give me enough time for me to keep rehearsing, keep practicing. And I mean, the day I can just sit down like this, like today I do that. You know, when somebody asks me a question, I said that, okay, can you sum it up in the statement for me? It is just not, I don't take a book and say it. You can then and there write it and say it, right? And somebody will sit down after Betty Erickson, inductions become so easy. I don't have to remember Dave Elman all the time. I can just do Betty Erickson, put them in, and then do a deepening technique, and then they're there. Right, so I can go on and on, but thank you, Nitin. It is amazing as usual.
Thank you. Okay.
Just to add to this, the hand holding is amazing. That is the best part of the course, because the other institutes, you do the course and they just leave you. Chalo ji, ab karo jo marzi. But out here, at least we can come back to the institute again and ask you guys how to do things. And you take pains, you literally push us, ki karo, karo, karo. That is the best part for somebody like me who procrastinates a lot. So this is amazing.
So I
Thank you.
also agree. Actually, it was Mamta with whom I spoke first, who actually introduced me to iCharts, and because I know her through a common friend. So the only thing that clicks with me is this, that you can, you know, come back to us anytime when you get stuck. So that's a big USP of yours actually. And I think the main thing is like, don't complicate it. I think that's what I've learned from you, sir. That don't complicate it, keep it as simple as possible. Whenever the client comes to us, I think that's one main thing. Let us not put in our thoughts and try to complicate it further.